Hi friends, welcome back to Hobby Baker's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make eggless chocolate mug cake. Yes, it's a super moist and eggless chocolate mug cake in just 1 minute. You really got to try this recipe. For this cake we will need 2 tablespoons of butter and we'll melt it in the microwave for around 30 seconds and then add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder to it. Give it a good mix. This step is crucial so that we will not have any lumps in our batter. To this I'm gonna add 2.5 tablespoons of sugar and give it a good mix, and then add a dash of vanilla extract. This is my homemade vanilla extract. If you want to know how I made it, write it in the comment box. I will make a video for you. I'm adding 5 tablespoons of lukewarm milk. I always prefer to use whole milk in my cakes. Add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Give it a good mix. Make sure there are no lumps in the batter. The batter will be runny. Yes, we are looking for this consistency here so that we will have a moist chocolate cake. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. This is totally optional. Give it a good mix and microwave it for 1 minute and 20 seconds. After a lot of trials and errors, I've come up with this 1 minute and 20 seconds timing. This gives me a moist cake. So the cake is done. Now let's check it out. Yes, look at the rise. It looks good. I'm adding some sprinkles. It's totally optional. Let's wait for a couple of minutes so that the cake comes to room temperature, and let's dig in. Look at this. This is super spongy and moist. Yum, yum, yum. Look at those crumbs. This is super yum. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.